Welcome to Estero Today, produced by Engage Estero. I'm your host, Mike Wasson. I've been spending winters in Southwest Florida for 18 years, and after the season ends, there is always seems to be questions about the real estate market. This year, you may have noticed some unusual changes. Terry Flanagan, Engage Estero's Vice President of Administration, has been doing some research on this subject. He says that a recent report from FGCU's Regional Economic Research Institute confirms the real estate winds have shifted in Southwest Florida, and Estero is no exception. In short, prices have dropped, listings have increased. Over the past year, from May 2024 to May 2025, single-family home prices have fallen in the range between 10 to 19% in Southwest Florida. This marks a significant correction after years of rising values. Meanwhile, residential listings have increased by 33%, giving buyers more options than they've had in some time. If you're looking to buy, this is good news. There's more room to negotiate, and you might finally find that perfect home within your budget. If you're selling, however, you may need to adjust your expectations. Homes are staying on the market longer, and competitive pricing is more critical than ever. Also, new construction is slowing down. Permits for new single-family homes have fallen 23%, and overall home sales are down 4%. This indicates a slowdown in demand and a cautious stance from builders who see the market adjusting. Based on what I've heard or read from public data, this trend is generally occurring across the country. What does it mean for you? If you are a current homeowner, this isn't a time for panic. If you've owned your home for a few years, you're still ahead. But if you bought recently at peak prices, you may want to hold off on selling unless you are forced to move or really need to sell. For buyers, you finally have some breathing room. Prices are down, there's more inventory, and fewer bidding wars. This could be your window of opportunity, especially if interest rates stay stable or possibly drop slightly in the near future. For Estero, here's a broader perspective. Across the region, the economy remains strong. Tourism is booming. Airport traffic is up 9%, and people are spending. Taxable sales are up 7%. However, we're also seeing a softening job market, with unemployment increasing by 1% year over year. So what's the takeaway? Estero's real estate market is cooling but stable. It's a time of transition from a seller's market to a more balanced one. Whether you're planning to buy, sell, or stay put, it's worth paying attention to these trends. If you would like to dive deeper into neighborhood level trends or future projections, let us know. We are closely following the data and will continue to share its implications for residents in Estero. The source of much of this data came from the FGCU Regional Economic Research Institute and their July 2025 report. The title of the report is Real Estate Shifts in Estero: What the Latest Numbers Mean for You. You can read the full report from a link on our website at esterotoday.com, or you can go directly to the FGCU website. That website is https://www.fgcu.edu/real FGCU.RERI. Let me repeat that. FGCU.edu/COB/RERI. Thanks for joining us this week at Estero Today. We hope you have found the information interesting and helpful. If you would like to comment, you can email us with your comments and ideas for future podcasts. Our email address is info@esterotoday.com. That's info, I-N-F-O, @esterotoday.com. Produced by Engage Estero, this is your host, Mike Wasson, wishing you a good week and hoping you can join us next week for more news on Estero Today.